Can't do a pull-up yet? Here's how you can progress to doing your first one. Start with dead hangs where you're just holding onto a bar and hanging there, keeping your shoulders out of your ears. You can then progress that to scapular pull-ups, which is just releasing your shoulder blades and then pulling them away from your ears so you're up and down counting reps that way. Then move to seated pull-ups. This is just reducing the amount of weight that you have to pull up for every single rep. You can then progress to machine or band assisted pull-ups, which will help reduce the amount of body weight that you're actually lifting for that full pull-up. Then throw in some pull-up negatives. That's going to be where you start in a pull-up position from the top where your chin is above the bar, walk off the box, and you're just going to be slowly descending all the way to straight arms. And then step back up on the box and repeat. If you really want to see progress in the pull-up, perform these types of movements several times per week. 2 to 5 times per week you could be doing these assisted movements. I like to keep a couple of days in the lower rep range and a couple days in a higher rep range. So 4 to 6 with some exercises and 8 to 12 with other exercises. Also useful accessory exercises are inverted rows and lat pull downs. Those are excellent places to start, and we'll see you soon when you're doing pull-ups.